Good afternoon, guys. Laura from Hedgehog's Homestead today. Today I am going to make some zucchini bread out of the zucchini, of course, that was in my garden. And so let's get to it. This zucchini bread my mother-in-law brought over, so thank you for that. It is a little sweeter than your average zucchini bread. So we will get to it. So first we're going to put in our 2 1/4 cup granulated sugar. I'll bring you guys in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay? So our 2 1/4 cup granulated sugar. And then to that we're going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, and then we're going to add 3 eggs to that, and I just put them in there whole and then take a fork to them and break the yolks and just kind of whip them in the bowl. And I'm going to start mixing that stuff together. There's a couple of clumps of sugar in there. My sugar is a little brown because I use organic sugar. Okay, so we've got those ingredients kind of mixed together. And then we're going to add our 3 teaspoons of vanilla. I make 2 tablespoons of vanilla in mine. Mix that together. Okay. And then on top of that, I don't do it in a separate bowl because I don't like to do dishes that much, guys. On top of that, I add my dry ingredients. I mix those together on the surface, and then then I blend it all together. So we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, bleached or unbleached, it doesn't matter. This isn't a bread that you need to rise or use yeast with, so it's fine. Okay, 3 cups of flour, and then to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have it all in this cup. I'm going to put that in there. And then we're going to add it says 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I am putting in here 2 tablespoons. We love our cinnamon, so. And then I'm going to get a whisk and just whisk that all together. And we're going to preheat our oven to 350. And this recipe makes 2 zucchini breads. And we haven't even added our zucchini yet. And it's 2 cups of zucchini. Oh, this smells amazing, guys. Okay, now I'm going to get the 2 cups of zucchini. The rest of my zucchini is going to go in the freezer for the next time I want to make this, or if I want to add it to anything else. and spray those down. My oven at 350 degrees. Okay. And I'm just going to fill these up. A little more, about halfway, so they have room to expand and rise. And the reason why I'm doing 3 smaller pans, because this is a sugary food and we like to work on portion control around here. In this way, we don't have this big thing that we have to eat. You know, we can't, because we can't waste our food. So, and then we have treats in the freezer that I can just grab. I do the same thing with extra meals and all of that stuff. Sorry, my little kiddo just turned on the TV again. Get all that goodness out of this bowl. About an hour. I'm going to put a timer on for 45 minutes. It does not say on my thing, even though I've cooked this before. I think it's about an hour. Until it starts cracking on top, or you stick a toothpick in it and comes out. Put a baking sheet. Now I'm going to put them in my oven. Give me a timer for 45 minutes, Siri.
Okay, 45 minutes and counting.
We'll see you guys back when this comes out of the oven. It's gonna be delicious. We've had it before. Right, and, you guys, these guys, they took 55 minutes in our oven. Let me turn our oven off. I just took them out. And so we have 2 for the freezer and 1 for this weekend. And it's Friday today. And there you go. 3 delicious zucchini breads. So thank you guys. I'll leave the recipe in the description if you want to make it for yourself. It's always fun to try different people's recipes. Anyways, thank you for coming along with me today, guys. Please like and subscribe. And as always, God bless. Please try this recipe and enjoy it. Bye.